Hello everyone. Thank you for giving me opportunity to present my research on exchange rate determination in Asia. Authors of this research paper are Mr. Sumit Sawan and Ms. Shafigi from BBW Hochschule, University of Applied Science, Germany. I am going to present my research study in following outline as introduction, research question, research method, data collection, result, conclusion. Introduction. Exchange rate is an element of attracting foreign direct investment. Last 25 years were crucial years in developing Asia, especially India and China, after globalization. The main aim of this paper is to validate sticky price monetary model in India and China. Research papers on this field of decision making in the policy making, importers, exporters, investors. This aim of this research is achieved by investigation of the major determinants of exchange rate in these two economies, likely India and China, on the basis of independent variables as money supply, interest rate, CPI, GDP. My research findings are based on following research questions. Research question 1. What is the sticky price exchange rate system? Research question 2. Which variables determine the exchange rate in India and China? Likely money supply, interest rate, gross domestic product, consumer price index. Research question 3. What are the directions of impact of independent variables on exchange rate? To study the relationship of each individual independent variable with exchange rate. My research methodology is divided in three parts. A quantitative method with the help of regression is implemented for data analysis and to obtain the results. The data from year 1995 to year 2020 for India and China has been collected from World Bank database. The results are concluded using regression analysis. Overview of research review and data collection is outlined in this slide. Sticky price monetary model, the relations between independent variables and dependent variable exchange rate. Data collection from World Bank open data. For sample size, we selected data from last 26 years for India and China. Further slide will give more information regarding these topics. Exchange rate is a term used for measuring evaluation of international competitiveness. This is known as index of competitiveness of any country. This relation is inverse to the competitiveness. As the value of index of any country increases, then lower the competitiveness of that country exists. Exchange rate is defined as one of the country's price currency introduced in other country's price currency. In international market, one country's currency trades to other country's currency. This forum is known as foreign exchange market, as forex. This trading is done only if there is determined exchange rate of country's currency. This determination of exchange rate is done by two methods, which are fixed exchange rate regime and floating exchange rate regime. To determining exchange rate, we took four independent variables as interest rate, money supply, GDP, and CPI. Money supply and exchange rate. Money supply is the life wire of economic activities and so has powerful effect on the economic life of any nation. An increase in money supply puts more money in the hands of producers and consumer and therefore stimulating increase in investment and consumption. The liquidity is an integral part of economy. It increases in economy with the growth of broad money and foreign exchange reserves. In theoretical way, if liquidity increases, then it affects domestic currency, resulting followed by depreciation in domestic currency. Interest rate and exchange rate. Interest rate is major factor for determining exchange rate. Simply difference in interest rate between major countries. Country having higher currency with high interest rate attracts a greater number of investors who are looking for better opportunity for their investment. Gross domestic product and exchange rate. GDP is the market value of all final goods and service produced within the country in a given period of the time. GDP is one of the fundamental factors that affect the currency values. CPI and exchange rate. Consumer Price Index is a quantity of overall cost of goods and services bought by households. Consumer Price Index statistics are used to calculate the inflation of economy. Sticky price monetary model first introduced by and developed by Dornbusch in 1976. According to him, an increase in the domestic interest rate for a given expected inflation rate attracts an incipient capital inflow that causes the currency to appreciate. In order to check the how much of this data explained for determining exchange rate with the help of independent variables for India, we use regression analysis. Regression analysis is implemented here in order to classify the implication effect of the independent variables towards dependent variable. R square value is 91.2874%. It indicates very good result to explain reliability to explain determining exchange rate for India. ANOVA analysis is done for explaining is this model is good or not. Significance value is smaller than alpha is equal to 0.05. This calculation helps to increase the confidence level for regression analysis projected for given data set is acceptable, satisfactory, and valid. It can be seen that variables are affecting exchange rate of India. It is seen that coefficient of independent variables as interest rate, money supply, and CPI are positive, whereas coefficient of independent variable GDP is negative. It is shown in a graph format as in the slide. This graph explains as independent variable GDP decreases, then the dependent variable exchange rate of India will increase or vice versa. In similar way, for China, R square value is 96.2644%. It means 96.2644% data is explain relationship between independent variable and dependent variables. Significance value is lesser than alpha is equal to 0.05. So this model is excellent for analysis. It is noticed that coefficient of independent variable such as interest rate, money supply, and CPI are positive, whereas coefficient of independent variable GDP is negative. As shown in a graph, as independent variable GDP drops, then dependent variable exchange rate of China will rise or vice versa. Conclusion. The empirical results indicate that for the case for China, money supply, GDP, CPI are found to be significant in the model. The coefficient of money supply, CPI are positive while GDP found to be negative. For the case of India, interest rate, money supply, GDP found to be significant. The coefficient of interest rate, money supply are positive and GDP is negative. The GDP impact in both economics is negative, and increasing GDP result in decreasing exchange rate. More specifically, when GDP increases, the value of local currency will increases as locals will pay less to get the same amount of foreign currency, such as US dollar. This finding will have important information for the policymakers. Thank you.